Alright, so the grid shows the position of a bus and your job. The bus is located at -1, 3, and your job is located at -6, 7. What is the distance to the nearest unit between your job? So -1, 3. So let's first find this point. -1, 1, 2, 3. So that means that's your job, or that's your bus. Then -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, we need to find roughly that distance. Now, what they're going to tell you to do is use the distance formula. I get it. But, wait, what? -1, 3. Oops, my bad. Wrong point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. I messed up. Alright, so my bad, I accidentally graphed around. But anyway, from right here, this is what they want. They're going to ask you to use the distance formula. You can use it if you want. I'll show you both ways to use the distance formula. This is the distance formula. If you know anything, it's actually a method of using Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then you just square root it. So if we're going to write this out, my 2 points is right here and right here. -6 minus -1 squared plus 7 minus 3 squared. You get -6. This will turn into a positive, so -6 plus 1. You get -6 plus 1, and that gets -5, and that's 25. 7 minus 3 is 4, which is 16. 25 plus 16 is 41. And that gives me 6.4, and we'll round that down to 6. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is this. Look on your graph. I know I did it really bad, but I created a right triangle. Look, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 4 by 5 triangle. I could take 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. That's 16 plus 25 equals c squared. That'll be 41. Equals c squared, and then square root of 41. You can see I would still get the same answer. Now, this way is just knowing how to use a triangle, Pythagorean theorem, another way, but if you want to use the distance formula, just showing you 2 ways to do these problems. But you end up with the same answer of 6 units, or 6 blocks, 6 units, whatever it's asking.